So our project is called VALDRUG, and this is an application which is used to authenticate drugs to identify whether they are counterfeit or not. So counterfeit drug selling is a big problem like across India and other countries because they can cause harmful side effects to people who consume these drugs, especially elderly citizens who are like overly reliable, who rely on drugs a lot. This is, so I'll get right into it. So this is our the where we can log in or register on our app. Since registering is pretty straightforward, I'm going to log in directly. So so once we log in, we are given the provision. The user is given a provision to either like select an image from the library or to take an image through the camera. So since this is a simulator, I will be selecting an image from the library. So now once we select an image, so for example, let me take Digene. So once we select this image, we will get a validate option. And so once we validate it, once we click that button, this will get sent to our backend. The image will get sent to our Flask backend, and where we use Azure ML Studio to build over the existing OCR algorithm to extract the text from this medicine. So we extract data such as medicine, the medicine name, the medicine, the basic description of the drug, and also the contents or the chemicals that are used, and also the batch number, and only if all of these checks are satisfied will a drug be classified as valid. Now, as you can see here, this particular drug has been classified as valid based on our database, for which we have used Azure Cosmos DB. Once we classify a particular drug as valid, we will also provide the side effects of that particular drug. So now, if for example, if we take another image, for example, let's look at another drug which we have found out as invalid because yes. So as you can see here, the spelling of amoxicillin has a Y, which is supposed to be an I, but not a lot of people would notice that. So how this works is we would validate this drug by extracting all the details from this particular drug, and we would validate it we would compare it with our entire database, and we would classify it as fake, or as counterfeit or not. Yeah, so as you can see here, we have classified Almox 500, this particular Almox 500, as counterfeit, and we have also shown the alternatives for this particular drug. So now if we move on to our Cosmos DB, I can just show you a sample of our database. So the database consists of about although there are about 3 lakh medicines that we are attempting to put inside this database. Right now we have added about 10,000 drugs. So as you can see here, we have the medicine names, we have the manufacturers, MRPs, side effects, and our alternate brands, and other details which we can use to be able to further develop this app and provide further insights to the users of our app. Yes. So yes, this was the basic demonstration of our app, and we hope to keep building this further. Thank you.